So I completely understand how terrifying it is to switch your PMS, but the best thing was the ezyVet implementers. They just come in and really support the team. So yeah, even though it's scary, it's like ripping off a plaster. You get that initial pain for long-term gains.
We had a team come over from ezyVet. They stayed with us for a week, and the idea was that we just tried to use it and they were there to ask. So it was fantastic because learning on the job is a very veterinarian thing to do anyway. The team responded to the change really well. I think they felt really prepared and then supported throughout the process.
I would recommend ezyVet to another veterinary clinic. In fact, I have done. I have a friend who's a practice manager and they moved to a different cloud-based PIMS. They weren't happy with the support, they weren't happy with the whole implementation. And I said, give ezyVet a try. Call IDEXX, see what they've got to offer you. And they made that massive decision to move again to a different PMS system and they're really happy with it. So yeah.